Now the next thing we are going to look at is visibility. Now to hide box, we use the visibility property, okay, from users, but it leaves a space where the element would have been. Okay, in this case, even though we are hiding the box, but it's going to leave the space over there. This property can take two values, which is hidden. This hides the element, whilst visible shows the element. If the visibility of an element is set to hidden, a blank space will appear in its place. Okay, instead of the element appearing, a blank space will appear. And if you do not want a blank space to appear, then you should use the display we used earlier and give it a none. And then you must also note that anyone can view the content of any element whose visibility property has been set to hidden by viewing the page source. Now that's one of the first things we did. You right click on a web page and you go to view source. Okay, view source. Now to my text editor. Now instead of using the display, let me use visibility. Visibility. One of the reasons I like VS Code. And then the visibility, I would say hidden. Now when you are using hidden, I told you it is going to leave a blank space. Okay, so if you don't need a blank space, then which means we should go back to our display. Okay, but if you want to use visibility, just to explain visibility, you bring visibility and give it hidden. Let me save this and then check on my browser. You can see the space, a blank space created here. Okay, so it is technically not a good practice, though the best practice is to use the display and give it a value of none.